Namaste. This is Om with Om Tech. Today we are going to look at how to set up a subdomain on HostGator CPanel. First, log into your CPanel. Click on Hosting. Click on Add-on Domains. Then click Domains. Then click on Subdomains option. Make sure to select the correct domain for which you want to set up the subdomain from the drop-down list. Type the name of the subdomain. Click Create. Wait for the success message for confirmation. We will now set up the WordPress site for the subdomain. Use the following steps. Click the Website Essentials options on the left. Then select WordPress. Then select the subdomain which you want to install the WordPress site. Provide the site title, admin user, first and last name and email address. Be sure to check the checkbox for terms and agreement. Click Install when done. Wait for the installation complete message. You will now receive a new message with username and password. Save it in Notepad. Let's now visit the site. When you try to hit the site, it will fail at first attempt. This is because HostGator needs to run some configuration scripts. Once it completes, then the site will come up. It will take little over 5 minutes. Now you can see the site is up and running. Log in with the username and password from Notepad. The first thing we are going to do is change the default generated password. We will do a quick test to make sure the password is working. So there we have it. This is how you install a WordPress site on your CPanel for a subdomain. Similar steps can be used for a new domain as well. For more helpful technology videos like this, please browse through my channel. Be sure to like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day.